Hey guys, Roger Burley, vocal coach here in Hollywood. And I've been doing this a really long time. And so I'm going to give you something that I've discovered over the years that's really going to help you. And it is how to sing any song. I struggled with this one for a while, and you guys are probably going through it as well. And if you've listened to me for a while, I'm always telling you, be yourself, sing who you are, and all that. Well, how do you get to that place? I had to discover this. So there were all these songs that I wanted to sing. In the beginning of my career, I was doing cover songs. That's what we typically did. I wasn't writing songs or doing that. So I had to rely on songs that already existed, songs from other artists. So now I don't want to be like the other artists, so I want to do the song and make it my own. How do I do that? And you're always influenced in some way by what you're hearing. And you've seen this before where you see people going to karaoke bars and they're trying to typically sound exactly like the artist that did the original song, and that's fine, you know, you will get that a little bit. So, but we want you to be able to sing any song. And the way you're going to do that is by discovering who you are musically as an artist, discovering your style, all of that. That's how you learn to sing any song, and it's going to be you. So what I would do is take the song and learn it first. Now you've got to learn the song, and so doing that you are going to sing it exactly as either the original artist or some demonstration that you've been given, whatever it might have been. If you're doing a original song, you know, someone might have given you, a songwriter might have given you even, then again you're learning the song that the songwriter has written. You're just learning those notes. But let's talk about that. But then after you've learned it, you want to make it you. So let's take Happy Birthday. That's really easy for you to kind of understand this concept. So I can take Happy Birthday and sing it what I call very clean, very straight, right where it is. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Roger. Happy birthday to you. So I can stay right there and do it very there. But then I can decide, okay, I've learned that and I know where those notes are. And I know the pattern and I know that. But now I'm going to change it up. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. I can make all kinds of different little changes. And then what I would do is I would record myself. Now, I'm not going to get the exact same thing that I want the first time. So I would like play around with it, which is what I'm telling you to do. You're going to take this and you're going to start first playing around with finding different notes. You're taking that song, but you're making it you. So you can find little different changes that you can make. A lot of times I tell my clients when they're working, especially with cover songs, okay, you don't want to go so off the, change the song and you write a new song, but you want to make some little changes. You want to also honor the songwriter who wrote the song. But anyway, you're going to make little changes in that in terms of different notes or different choices that you might make. Then the other thing is, and I really want you to give yourself permission to do this because it took me a long time before I would do this. I grew up singing in a choir. When you're singing in a choir, you're singing things just like what they're supposed to be, because everybody has to be together. But you, as the artist, you want to develop something else. So now give yourself permission to step outside of the lines, really to do something a little bit different. And so what I would do, like what I was doing with the song there, is just kind of play around with the timing a little bit. And then I would never know for sure if that's what I wanted, but I would record it. Then I'd listen back to it, say, oh yeah, that was pretty cool. Then something else would hit me. That sounded really great. What will happen, and I need you to understand this, and please hear this, the more that you do this, you are developing an ability, a skill that you didn't know you have. But I'm telling you, as you start doing it, you will start to find your style, and you will then use that style, which will be you, to sing any particular song. So think about that for a bit. Don't limit yourself. Step outside of the lines. All right, you guys, please share the video, subscribe to the channel, leave your questions and comments. I'd love to hear from you. All right, see you real soon.